Hello there. Today I would like to talk about the expression to make sense in English. Now, there are two things to bear in mind here. When you want to use the expression to make sense in Spanish, for starters, you don't use the verb to make. You use the verb have, tener sentido, yeah? So, for example, someone is telling you something and you want to say, oh, okay, that makes sense. You don't say hace sentido. You say tiene sentido. Yeah? What you're telling me has sense. In Spanish, that's the way we say it, deal with it. No questions allowed. Now, so someone is telling you something and you say, okay, tiene sentido. Yeah? Now, the second thing I want you to bear in mind here is that when in English you use the expression if I make sense or am I making any sense, do not translate that literally, because in Spanish it's not the person, the one that tiene sentido, it's what the person is saying. You don't. The right expression would be ¿Tiene sentido lo que estoy diciendo? Literally, what you're asking is what I'm saying making any sense? You don't say, am I making any sense? Or you could say, ¿Tiene sentido lo que digo? It's the same question, just a different way to phrase it. So, for example, when in English you say, I don't know if I'm making any sense, the correct translation in Spanish would be, no sé si tiene sentido lo que estoy diciendo. Yeah? Well, I hope that was clear enough, and if not, you know what to do. Leave it in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more.